This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, May the 14th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system just to the east of the state, but the clouds are extending well through the state of Iowa into the plain states, and this is likely to continue for the next couple of days as this low stays around. Here's the watch warning map. From around midnight last night, you can see it's fairly quiet across the country outside of a few flood and flash flood watches scattered about the country, and some winter weather issues over the Sierra Nevadas, and severe thunderstorm warnings down in the south. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. This will take into account some of the rain from last night. You can see most rain will be in the eastern half of the state, where up to an inch of rain is possible over the far eastern counties. Here's the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. You can see several vortexes around the area, one in South Dakota, one in northwestern Missouri, and one in Indiana. Down at the surface low is going to be between Indianapolis and Cincinnati, with a trough of low pressure extending back into Iowa. So some scattered showers will be possible across the state. We head into Sunday. That surface low moves to about Hagerstown, Maryland. The rain will begin to end from northwest to southeast, so the second half of Sunday should be clearing and cooler. Monday, clear skies. Temperatures will finally get back to average readings, upper 60s to low 70s. Tuesday, same story, about the same. Sunny skies, maybe a few clouds in the afternoon, highs in the upper 60s to the mid 70s, with calm winds. Wednesday, the winds begin to turn around to the south and southwest, with a new storm system forming over southeastern Colorado, although we still should stay dry Wednesday. Thursday, you can see the low is now moved into southwestern Kansas. There could be some scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm over the western half of the state, mainly west of Interstate 35. Friday, the low moves to about Grand Island or Hastings, Nebraska. There could be a wave of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday morning or Friday morning, and then again Friday night. And then a week from today, back at the upper levels, you can see the vortex over northeastern Nebraska moving into the state. Down at the surface, the low pressure right underneath that in northeastern Nebraska, so another wave of showers and isolated thunderstorms will be possible as we head into the next weekend across the state. We head into voodoo country. Here's May the 24th. You can see a big upper level feature over the Pacific Northwest with a bit of a ripple over the plain states. Down at the surface, you can see a low pressure system over about near Dubuque, so there could be some rain, thunderstorms possible with that storm if this pans out. And at the end of the forecast period on May the 29th, more or less Memorial Day weekend, you can see a bit of a trough out to the west of the state. Otherwise, it's pretty much zonal across the country. At the surface, looks like a few scattered showers and thunderstorms here and there across the country. But it looks rather warm and no cool down expected, at least through the end of May. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.